you guys couldn't. I'm pretty sure I was gonna make a video, so I made one. But then when I watched it to make sure everything was right, I couldn't hear the AS alarm on it. So this time I'm gonna make another one. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm just watching the thing if you're wondering. Hold on. So I'm searching. So I'm just gonna be reacting to these. So I just gotta get them. All right. All right. Here we go. But the worst thing about reacting on YouTube is when you don't have premium on YouTube, bruh. Okay, once it starts, then we're gonna start. All right, it started. So the first one's, yep, and you already know the creator. His story. Pretty sure a YouTuber reacted to his videos multiple. I think. Yes, I've been reacting. I'm pretty sure the part 2. So I'm gonna react to the part 2 too in this one video. Well, not this one video, but I will have a thing of all them. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad actually. Yeah, that's not even bad. Alright, we're gonna do this. Bang, bang. That's a J alert. I think that was when North Korea launched a nuke and it passed them, or I think it landed in one of its islands near it, or it, the thing went right on it. Whoa. My hands are up. No. Please, I don't want to get arrested. I'm a kid. What the heck is this? This is my taxes. This is my taxes. I don't know, start drawing. I just drew. I'm gonna battle. Oh nah. I hate this. Bro, what the fuck am I doing? working. It's not working. Alexa, speaker. Alexa, speaker. Speaker. What the heck? No, my flashlight only turned on. I hate this. Why is this East alarm going crazy? They're going, this is my raging mode. What the heck did I just say? Man, I don't know what I might say. What the heck did my remote go? Dude! It's not there, bro. What the heck? Guys, what the heck did it do? Oh, it's right there. Right? No. Ouch. No, that's my charger. What the heck? No, right now they are gonna be able to solve this. I know where it is actually. Think! Bro, shut up! Nope! Max was looking everywhere. Dude, guys, I don't know what's happening. I'm just reacting. Bro, this is so... Oh, what the heck? Alright, yeah, I just listened to 5 minutes and that just scared the heck out of me. What the heck? The good news is that I found it, the bad news is that I got the worst sound ever. Ow. Ow. What the heck? That was the end of Rush. I just skipped. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Train has stopped. Ibak. Adi basne. Ibak. Na budu nari na. My ears burn. You see this one right here? It's about to go boom boom. Ah! Racing going on. Who will win? Iron wins. Who will win? Iron's racing really fast. My engine, no.
People used to replace their windows with vinyl, which didn't last.
Woo!
Vinyl is being replaced with something scientific.
Wee.